Commissioner Lina, pakisabi nyo nga sa mga kapuso natin, how much are you worth as a private businessman?
Ang net worth po ng inyong commissioner, Bert Lina, ay mga mahigit pong 1 bilyon.
Imposibleng 1 bilyon lang.
All companies siguro mga 1.8 billion.
Kayo ba ay nag-fill out na ng inyong statement of assets, liabilities, and net worth?
Ako po ay mag-fill up ng SALN ko within the 30 days period. Inaayos po ng aking mga...
Di alam nyo na ngayon.
More or less po.
Sinasabi nila na out of those 20 companies, 6 companies ay merong relationships with the Bureau of Customs.
Tama po yun.
Okay. Yung 6 companies na yon, ano ang net worth nila? Ano ang,
Ang
equity?
total net worth po noon, mga more than 1 billion. Because some ho noon, meron ho akong kasama. Oo, hindi ho solo.
Air 21.
Air
Yun lahat yun.
21 po, 90% I own.
Kita mo.
Yung U-Freight, U-Ocean, Cargo House, meron ho akong kasama doon, foreign.
Magkano ang kanilang
40%
share?
po.
Really? But you're majority?
Majority.
Okay.
Because under the law on those things, kinakailangan 60-40.
Sinasabi nyo sa mga ating mga kapuso that you are going to divest yourself.
Tama
you
po.
are selling all the company,
Apo.
all of it.
Meron ho isang kumpanya doon para lang talagang
Yung LGC.
mawala yung alinlangan doon. Yung home brokerage company. Pangalan po noon is 21 Customs Brokers. Ang decision po namin doon, saraduhan na. Close it, file ang closure sa...
Baka naman pagkatapos yung umalis lang sa customs, bubuksan nyo na ulit.
Ay, hindi naman. Iba ho. Otra cosa yun, Tito.
Hindi naman.
Yeah,
hindi pwede because
under the law, again, I will divest under the law. Ito ngayon, sasabihin natin, kailan mo ba bibili? The law, you cannot just buy it if I want to buy it, if I want to go back. Di ba, mayroong prescription period pa rin po doon.
But about a year, hindi ba
Opo,
1
hindi
year?
ako pwedeng bumalik, bibiling ko ulit nun. Ang sabi ko nga, kung ayaw ko nang bilhin, pwede. Pwede kong bilhin. Pwede rin.
But the purpose, if you'll pardon me, the purpose of the law is to make sure na yung mga ginagawa mo rito as Customs Commissioner will not redound to your benefit later.
Tama po.
Yung mga contacts na meron kayo, etc. Paano yan mangyayari kung in 2 years' time, say 2016, aalis na kayo. So in 2 years' time, you will buy the company back. Di, parang ginoyo nyo yung government?
Hindi po.
Aba.
Kung bibili ko, kung hindi ko naman binili.
Bibili nyo yun
Hindi ko naman sinabi bibili ko dito.
Please, you think?
Masama naman po naman to prejudge me at this time na bibilin ko.
No, I am judging you from your previous your previous moves because nung naging commissioner kayo ng customs noong 2005 tapos nag-resign kayo, within a year you bought all the companies back. Diba?
No, hindi po within the year. After a year. Hindi na nga
after a year.
Hindi nga po ako bumalik sa kumpanya ko. Halos nagbakasyon ako. I did not work in the companies that are directly with...
but you bought them back.
After 1 year.
After 1 year.
Because that's the law.
The law did not quite see that the person who was going to give it up, get away from the company, would be the owner of the company. Kayo owner kayo.
Yeah, pero wala naman po sa batas yun, Tita Winnie, na
Yeah, but
ngayon, kung ang sinasabi nyo, Bert, noong araw, bata pa ako ngayon, medyo, di ba, I'm already 67 years old. So if I divest, I need not go back and buy it back. But what for?
What is the... No.
Unless you tell me, Bert, absolute yan, you cannot go back.
Hindi, ayun nga ang...
ano bang gusto mong mangyari dito? Mga kapuso, hindi ko nabibilin. Pwede ko naman sabihin sa kapuso natin. Para lang matahimik lahat ng tao. I can say that.
Pwede kayo nagsisinungaling.
Hindi ako pwede managsinungaling.
In other words, pag sinabi niyo sa mga kapuso, I will
bantayan
not buy back. Ha?
They watch me. Bantayan nila ako.
Okay.